Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The United States government sanctioning the often source called the mathematics of the tornado case privacy protocol may be shocking, but it's not surprising. America has been tightening its grip over the global financial system for decades, ostensibly to cut down on bad behavior but also to project power abroad. Economic sanctions, like the ones enforced by the aptly named Office of Foreign Exchange Control, are a powerful weapon. The agency website states that it enforces economic and trade sanctions based on U.S. foreign policy and national security goals. It does this to fight drug dealers, terrorists, and other threats to the national security, foreign policy, or economic of the United States. Scary stuff, particularly when enforced by the user of the global reserve currency. But therein lies the rules, because the more the use weapon is access to the dollar, the greater the incentive for every other country to find an alternative. One country to find an alternative and likely winner from this dynamic is Bitcoin. To see why we need to study the architecture of money, fiat currencies like the US dollar have no inherent transfer mechanism. Larger payments can only be made through the banking system, and banks need government charters to operate. This symbiotic relationship enables governments to not only control the uses and further user weapons arguably as discreet as bombs and bullets. Bitcoin is different because it has its own concept, rescission payment system. Anyone can make payments to anyone else, with or without an involvement of a licensed intermediary. Governments can still wield power over individual actions, accoustic or minor, by that can stop the protocol or the community. And B, along with ever stricter sanction regimens, and the US has recently taken the drastic step of raising the foreign actions reserves of Russia and Afghanistan. Regardless of one's opinion of the legality of such action, they drive home the point that dollar reserves are only useful, and tornado case privacy protocol may be shocking, but it's not surprising. America has been tightening its grip over the global financial system for decades, ostensibly to cut down on bad behavior, but also to project power abroad. Economic sanctions, like the ones enforced by the aptly named Office of Foreign Assets Control, are a powerful weapon. The agency's website states that it enforces economic and trade sanctions based on U.S. foreign policy and national security goals. It does this to fight drug dealers, terrorists, and other threats to the national security, foreign policy, or economic of the United States. Scary stuff, and when enforced by the user of the global reserve currency, but therein an incentive for every other country to find an alternative. One likely winner from this dynamic is Bitcoin. To see why, we need to study the architecture of money. Fiat currencies, like the US dollar, have no inherent transfer mechanism. Large payments can only be made through the banking system, and Bitcoin is different because it has its own commercialization payment system. Anyone can make payments to anyone else, and this relative treats the dollar as one explanation for why America refuses to pass sensible crypto regulation, despite a thriving domestic industry. The more the use normalizes Bitcoin as the store of value internally, the higher the odds that as a reserve asset abroad. And blockchain, then why not a central bank? Countries don't need to put their reserves in Bitcoin to benefit from its utility. Given its relative yield and volatility, it would be risky to own too much, just as El Salvador, but a breaks glass in case of emergency reserve asset, and it will go a long way. Like any aging empire, America has liked to reach to this competition If other countries do start adopting Bitcoin, then Washington might become even more draconian with the use of sanctions, trying to blacklist coin held by regime doesn't like, and punishing miners who process certain transactions. But the world mostly hard the American crypto industry will reinforcing the need for a global alternative. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.